Now you've probably seen quite a lot of these on the internet, the ball in a ball in a ball. It's pretty cool. But have you seen it on twin with this? It's still going. That's it.